This video is about how to create another LinkedIn account. Now, to add a new account on LinkedIn, you need first to log out of your existing account. The next thing is to tap this join button to start creating a new account. And you can sign up with an email address or with Google. And to sign up with Google, you just need to allow LinkedIn to access your Google account. And to sign up with an email address, you need to enter your email address, then you create a password. The next thing is to enter your name, then agree to the terms of service and verify that you are human. And after that, you need to confirm your location, then enter your recent job details and verify your email address through a code. And from there, you can tell LinkedIn if you are looking for a job or not, and your new LinkedIn account will be ready. And after creating your account, you can tap this profile icon and go on to edit your profile and make your preferred settings, including security and privacy settings. And above here, you can share your account, search for something on LinkedIn and access your messages. And below here, you can search for jobs and create posts. And you can also access your notifications and also your network and connect with more LinkedIn users. And to switch to your other LinkedIn account, you need first to log out of the account you are logged in, then log into the other account. And to delete your LinkedIn account, you need to go to settings, then account preferences, and go on to close down your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on LinkedIn and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.